Dated po kayo.
Right!
Yung kasi po, parang tangay. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, it's me, Gwynette, and I'm here with my mom. And gagawa po ako ngayon ng bagong challenge. Ang challenge po na ito is my mom chooses my makeup. And siya po yung namili ng mga gagamitin kong makeup for today. And from foundation, hanggang sa eyeshadow, hanggang sa lipstick, siya po yung namili. And
I try to choose any kinds of makeup na gagamitin niya para malaman namin kung anong
kalalabasan.
kalalabasan.
And ayun guys, so let's start this video and without further ado. And wait, thank you mommy for participating. Mwah. And okay guys, let's start. So ayun guys, mag-i-start na po tayo and dating unang gagawin is eyebrows and mag-off cam muna ako kasi meron naman akong eyebrow tutorial. So guys, nakapagkilay na po ako and next let's proceed to foundation. Ito po ang napili ng aking mami. Over 5 foundation I have. Ito po yung pinili niya is yung Superstay. And by the way, nung namimili po siya po ay naka-blindfold. And I will put it on my hands. Just like that. Just it. Next is let's go with the contour and I'm using this and my contour brush na napili ng aking mama. Actually, this is from her. Let's do this. I'm done with the contour and now let's proceed to the final powder, which is this Nichido final powder. I'm gonna open this one. Okay, let's start this. Ito po yung napili ng aking over Benny Banana. So guys, tapos na rin ako. Nakapag-contour na ako ng aking face. So let's proceed to my eyeshadow. Over 10 eyeshadow, ito po ang napili ng aking mother, which is may Jaclyn Hill. Sa aking mga past videos, nagamit ko na po ito. And let's do this. Ito po ang napili ng mami ko na eyeshadow. And ang pinili na pong shades is ito. Ayan. Ito. And ayan. And for the dito guys. Ito yung pinili. And ito yung mga napili ng brush. So, let's do this.
Bubula na naman ang putik ka mo na. Ayaw mo na may isang kwet bilan na sa
Ito po. Guys, nakapaglagay na ako ng liquid eyeliner. And tapos na rin ako sa eyeshadow. Next, we are done with this brushes. And next, we are going to do a blush on this from the West. In the shade of Nectar. Sobrang bango nito guys. Super. And ang napili niyo pong brush, ito. Guys. And next, which is the highlighter. At ang napili naman ito ang highlighter. And for the highlighter, mommy chose this from my 18th birthday gift. And hindi ko pa ito nagagamit. My eyelashes, she chooses this. One of my favorites, so I'm so happy. So let's do this. So guys, nalagay ko na po yung eyeshadow, eyelashes rather, and I will remove my lip balm kasi nag-prime ako ng lips. And napili ng mami ko na lip liner is this one from Everbelena. In the shade of Toast of New York. And for the lipstick, ang napili ko ng mommy ko is this Mood from Caroline, and one King K from Kylie. And ibablend natin ito guys. So this is the lipstick from Kylie. So ayan guys, nalagay ko na, and we will blend it with Mood from Caroline. So we will brush with this powders. It's my mommy, and tatang natin siya kung scale of 1 to 10 dahil siyang pumili. Rate my makeup. Mommy, in a scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate my makeup?
It's 10.
Wow!
Kasi ikaw pumili.
Yes.
Duh. What? Thank you so much, Mom. Tay, I have a question. Tay, in a scale of 1 to 10, Tatay will rate my makeup. Ilan, Tay?
9. I give you 9.
Why, Tay? Why? Sige, Tay. Thank you! How about you, Hachi? Na puro kagat ang alam. Ilan? Ewan ko sa'yo, puro ka lang amoy. But,
8:01 p.m.
and thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this video, and don't forget to click the notification bell para maging updated po kayo sa aking mga videos. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Oh, God bless. Mwah.